As you do 1.6, you can check your answers with me over here. Here I go. Number 1, we have added the distributing to our list of things to do. Doing fine at CMS. We're going to distribute first. -12, I don't like that thick pen, equals -6x. Be careful here. This is a -3 times a -10. That's plus 30. And now I'm already down to a 2-step. There's no fractions. There's no like terms to combine. There's no variables on both sides. So now I'm simply at a 2-step. Number 1 is 7. Oh my gosh, look at the fun of this one. Doing fine at CMS. We're going to distribute. 8c minus 72 equals 12c minus 72 minus 4c. There's no fractions. We're going to now combine like terms. I have like terms over here. So I have 8c minus 72 equals 12. That's a -4c. That's 8c minus 72. This is a 2. Yeah. And now I'm going to move the variable because I have a variable on both sides. That actually eliminates my variable, and -72 equals -72. This is infinitely many solutions. And yes, you have to write all that. It's not me, it's the state of New York. What can I tell you? All right, here we go. I'm going to distribute 3x plus 27. I'm going to combine like terms in this step, if that's okay with you. 11x minus 7. Now I have variables on both sides, so I'm going to move the variable. I'm going to subtract 3x. 8x minus 7. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Whoop. That's 34. Is this right? I'm not liking it. X equals 8 times 4 is 32. This would be and a half, 4/8. I better check that one. Whenever I get anything that's weird, I like to check it. So 3 times 4.5 plus 9. Let's do that. 3 times 4.5 plus 9. That gives us 40.5 on this side. And on the other side, I have 4 times 4.5 minus 7 plus 7 times 4.5. I don't know. This is iffy. 4 times 4.5 minus 7 plus 7 times 4.5. Okay, I did something wrong. I hate when I do something wrong. I'm going to pause this for a minute. Okay, so my big mistake is this is not 4.5. This is 4.25. But see how I'm going fast? I'm trying to get done because I have a meeting. And I'm like, ooh, that's a decimal. Let me check it. And when I checked it, it didn't work. So I think it's really valuable for you to see how that check works. That's why I didn't erase and start over. All right, 1/3 of the bagels in a bakery are sesame. There are 72 bagels. Write and solve an equation to find how many bagels were in the bakery. That's your let statement. Let x equal number of bagels in the bakery. So this is all of the bagels, not just a certain kind. Now go back. 1/3 of all the bagels in the bakery are sesame. There are 72 sesame bagels. Okay. I'm actually going to make this 1/3 x equals, what's 72 times 3 is 216 over 3. When I multiply everything by 3, I get x equals 216 bagels in the bakery. I'm going to check that by taking it all the way back to the words, because I saw people on the quiz check their equation and it was right, but the equation was wrong. So 1/3 of the bagels in the bakery. So I'm going to do 216 divided by 3 or times 1/3 is 72. There are 72 sesame bagels. So I got that right. Okay, 1 year, a membership to a gym costs $725. The registration fee is $125 and the remaining amount is paid monthly. Write and solve an equation to find how much new members pay each month. So we're going to let M equal amount paid each month. And they say new members because you only pay that registration fee once. So 125 plus the remaining. So the remaining is paid how much they pay each month. Is this right? Oh no, there's 12 months in a year. Haha, that's what I was missing. Did you miss that too? I'm like, I am missing a number. There's 12 months in a year. It's a 1-year membership. That's why the 12 goes to the months, because you pay it every month for 12 months. Now we're going to subtract 125 to get 12M equals, 850. I think. You guys know it's really hard for me to do this while different things are going on in my world. Ugh, this isn't right. 725 minus 125 is 600. I subtracted wrong. Oh, I'm having a terrible day. This is 600. Oh, I added, that's why. Look, I put a plus sign there. This should have been minus 125. To get 600, and 600 divided by 12 is 50. So how much do they pay each month? $50 per month. Whew. Now that I think I've done them all correctly, if you have a lot of time, you can go ahead and listen to the next set of notes for 1.7. You will not have that for homework.